All right, so it's Saturday, August 22nd, and I got the third level oversize Cotter pin and installed it, and it works just fine. And nice and tight, and I am perfectly happy with it. I think I'd like to cut that off, but I am not going to pound this thing back out, so I'm just going to leave it like that. It is great. And actually, if you walk around the room and look at other bikes, let's just check out. This is a BSA. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, now it's flush, but it's sticking out the left side. This one is sticking out the left side a little bit and not quite, and both sides. This guy is sticking out. Let's go over here. This is the 72, that's loose, wow. And it's up inside, so that could probably use an oversize. I have the second tier oversize. We might try it in this bike if that's actually loose. This is the one we're putting the electric starter on. Over here we have a 64, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's sticking out on this side. And it's not to the end of the, yeah, it's just barely flush. So, interesting. Okay, I'll try tightening that. And over here on this one, oh my, this one's very much like the one I just put on, except it's drawn all the way up inside here, and they've shimmed it here with extra washers. So quite a little operation. I don't think that I use a pin on my little 500. No, I think it's splined. I don't know. So, oh, how about that stuff? So anyway, they're all over the place. And it's tight, and it's original, and I'm going to leave it. And now I just need to see if there's anything keeping that bike here beyond that. And if not, I'll let the client have it. All right. Gosh, I don't know. Maybe we'll do one more test ride on it. But I have to go check the paperwork and find out if there's anything outstanding other than that Cotter pin. Anyway, it's hotter than heck on a Saturday. It's gosh, 11:15, and I'm gonna call it a day. It's just too doggone hot to work out here in the garage. So we're done.